Hey Roses. It's been a minute, huh? A long time no see. I'm back again with another hair video. Yes, I gotta do something with this mess. So what I decided to do was, of course, wash my hair and then try this older product from the Main Choice. If you're interested in seeing what I do to my hair to rehydrate it, remoisturize it, stay tuned. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and hey, it's me again. I'm back. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. That will help my channel out. Give this video a thumbs up if you could. Share it with someone who likes to see natural hair videos, and leave me a comment if you would like at the end. So as you can see, this hair needs to be done. I have been neglecting it. I've been busy, and if you saw my last community post, you know why. So anyway, I'm about to go wash my hair, but I want you guys to see the before of my hair. This is what we're looking like. I've just been putting a baseball cap on or a head wrap and keeping it moving lately, but I want you to see what my hair looks like before I wash it, and I'm going to wash it, and then we're going to go ahead and try this. This is the Main Choice Proceed with Caution Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce Stop the Damage Pre or Post POO mask. Okay, I'm going to use this as a post POO or poo. Yeah, poo, huh? That's shampoo, not, oh, whatever. I'm going to use this as a post poo mask, aka deep conditioner. That's how I'm going to use it, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so you saw it. You know what this reminded me of the second I opened it? It reminded me of buttercream frosting with just a touch of maybe like lemon in it. Why I say lemon? Because to me, this has a citrusy smell to it. It smells like there's some lemon in it. Like, you know, you just put a touch of lemon extract in it. That's what it smells like. I'll go ahead and, well, no, I'm not going to list all the ingredients. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this, the ingredients, put it on the screen so you can see it. But there's a lot of ingredients in it, but there's a lot of good ingredients in it. Now, one thing I do notice, it does have coconut oil in it. That is the second ingredient. So if you're allergic to it, then this would not be for you. Honestly, I don't even know if they're still selling this. But if they are, that might be something you may want to know. So anyway, it's nice and creamy. It actually looked like frosting to me. Nice and smooth. It did not disappear into my skin. I didn't expect it to. That's not a requirement with masks for me. You know what I'm saying? All I know is I need the moisture that it's going to give me. I do like the fact that this is for all hair types. And this is has Japanese cherry and chia seed oil. Chia seeds are so good. So you want to give me some of that oil from chia seeds? I'll take it. And I know my hair will like it. Okay, so Also, this says it's infused with biotin and vitamin A, C, D, and E. 12 fluid ounces, so it's about standard size. Well, no, that's a good size. So let's see. It says directions. If you want to use it as a pre-poo mask before cleansing and it says proceed with caution, slippery when wet shampoo. That's from the same line. If you want to go ahead and use it that way, you can use it that way, but it says to massage gently into dry hair and distribute evenly, especially to the ends. Wait 5 minutes, then use fingers to gently loosen tangles. Cover with a plastic cap and leave in 15 to 20 minutes with heat and up to an hour without heat. Rinse with lukewarm water. Okay. It's like using it as a deep conditioner before you even shampoo. Okay. Anyway, and so directions to use it as a post-poo mask after shampooing with proceed with caution. Slippery when wet shampoo. Apply to clean towel dried hair and distribute evenly. Cover with a plastic cap and leave in up to 15 to 20 minutes with heat and up to 1 hour without heat. Rinse with cool water and style as usual. So I'll be using it as according to this, a post-poo mask. So with all that said, let me go ahead and do that. I'll be right back with washed hair. Okay, I'm back. So take this off. I did not detangle my hair because I wanted to see what this product does for my hair when trying to detangle. Okay, so put this side up. Here's another look at, ooh, okay, I don't want to spill it, but you see it. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. Look at that goodness. Ooh. Initial thoughts. I think depending on how much hair you have, this may or may not have the amount of slip that you may be looking for. For me, yeah, it does have slip. I mean, it's easier to work with in smaller sections, of course. But it doesn't have like this crazy amount of slip that I would like. But it has enough. It's not to say it doesn't have any, because as you can see, I'm starting to be able to separate my strands and pull out stuff like this, which is what I need to do. So look how it's defining my curls though. Nope. My ends needed a lot more since that's the oldest part of my hair. So there's that first section. It definitely feels like it has lots of moisture in it. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my hair and then I'll be back. Okay, all done. Well, all done with the first portion. So this is what my hair is looking like. And I was able to detangle about this much. And I will be able to detangle a little bit more once this sits in my hair. So, okay, so I'm going to cover it with a plastic cap and put on my thermal heat cap for about probably 20 minutes. But so far, I do like it. It had more slip than I actually kind of thought, the more product I put on my hair, of course. And I also have decided that the smell of this is like a citrus medicinal scent. Lemony citrus, you know, medicinal scent. So that's how I describe the scent. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you what it looks like once I take off the thermal heat cap and plastic cap right before I wash it. So hold on, don't leave yet. And if you haven't already given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and do that, okay? Because it's a hair video, of course. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 20 minutes. Taking this off. Okay, my hair feels nice and soft. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. One thing I want to tell you guys before I wash it out, after I apply this to my hair, I start watching some YouTube. Yes, I watch YouTube too. And I was sitting there on the couch like, suddenly I smelled something. I was like, what is that smell? Put my hands up. I was like, oh no. So the smell of this went from a lemony, citrusy, medicinal smell to an onion, funky, medicinal smell. It just stinks. I don't like the smell. Oh, so I'm gonna wash this off and wash my hands, and then we're gonna see what my hair looks like. I'll be back. Okay, all done. Oh, I love how my hair looks. One thing I will say about this product defined my curls wonderfully. I mean, If I wanted to wear a wash and go, I could just go in with some gel, and you know, the definition is already started for me. Look at that. That's a close-up. Look at that. My hair is soft, definitely feels moisturized. Not heavy. I can still kind of smell that smell. But once I go in to style my hair, I don't expect to smell it. It's not on my hands anymore. But anyway, I love the results of my hair. Nicely cleaned and deep conditioned using the Main Choice Proceed with Caution Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce. Stop the damage pre or post POO mask. What a title. What a title. But you know what? I get that it says Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce. Yeah, this gave me a nice head start for a wash and go if I wanted to, but I'm not doing that. So you guys, let me know what you think. Let me just turn around a little bit. Do you think it has bounce? Give me a thumbs up in the comments if you think it has bounce, and not just in the comments, actually give the video a thumbs up. All right, y'all, so if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It would be nice. Don't just watch and not subscribe. I mean, what is that? Okay, all right, give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with someone. I don't care where you share it, just share it, okay, to at least one person. If you subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, make sure those notifications are on, and leave me a comment. Other than that, me and my hair, we'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.